the news.
Today on the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel, we're taking the body off the 78 Corvette to use the frame for my race car build. Be sure to stick around. So made big progress so far. Got the front bumper cover off, the crash bar is off, disconnected some vacuum lines. I noticed the brake lines were already cut. I broke the rag joint loose, started taking the column loose, got the e-brake disconnected, some other miscellaneous brackets, and I'm working on the body mounts. I got all the ones on this side off, and this one was the only one that broke. The one back here came right out. And you can see this car has the original rotors on the back. It has all the rivets and the paint and stuff on it, which is kind of interesting. So I'm gonna put the wheel back on, put it down, and we'll work on the passenger side body mounts next. To lift the body off the 78, we bought straps from Zip Corvettes, and the straps come a little bit long. That way the strap doesn't rub on the door when you lift the body off. But if you don't have a really large ceiling, you're gonna need to choke up the straps, and we choked them up with a 2x2. And you just wrap one strap clockwise, one strap counterclockwise, and you do that on both the driver and passenger side, and that prevents the board from unraveling itself. I spent a few hours yesterday breaking all the body mount bolts loose, disconnecting everything, getting it ready for the body lift, and everything went really smooth. This is the whole reason I bought the 78, was to get this rolling chassis. I didn't want the drivetrain or the body, but all of this I wanted. So the frame is nice and solid. I think it may only have a little soft spot back in this corner. Other than that though, everything looks nice. This cross member may be a little soft, I'm not sure. And I'm not sure about the condition of the trailing arms. But other than that, everything's nice. I'm gonna back half this frame somewhere in here and graft on a mid-year clip to make it work on a 63. But overall, it's a really nice frame, very complete. You know, it's got the brakes, it's got everything I need. I took off these big crash bars, so it's ready to become a mid-year now. The body's not in bad shape other than the firewall. This fender saw a little bit of heat. Other than that though, it's not in really bad shape. So this body is going to a friend who's going to make it like a Greenwood style race car. So I'm not sure how much of the actual fiberglass he's going to use, but the cockpit at least will become a race car, and the chassis, which is way over there, the chassis is also going to become a race car, but my race car. But that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And we did all this work to the 78 and had our fun just for this chassis. So in an upcoming video, I'm going to be tearing this chassis apart and cutting off the back end and making it a mid-year frame, changing the body mounts and doing some chassis upgrades to make this thing handle better, make the frame a little stiffer, and make this a really fun car. So I'll catch you guys later.